Hey guys, welcome back to our series Behind the Charts. Today we're gonna have a look at Štefan. Trading success is built on consistency and discipline. Today we'll analyze his journey, a trader with $200,000 account who just completed his third cycle with a strong results. Let's break down his numbers, trades, and key lessons. So Štefan closed this cycle with a profit of $6,200 before split, which came to $4,900 after the split. After adjusting for new trades, his payout was finalized at $4,683. That's 3% growth in his cycle. His profit factor was 2.04, meaning his winners were twice as big as his losses, with 199 winning trades and 137 losing ones. His win ratio was 59%. Štefan focused on day trading. All trades opened and closed within the same day, with no overnight positions. Importantly, every trade had a stop loss set that kept his risk controlled and prevented large drawdowns. Even with a 59% win rate, he finished with strong profits. Why? Because his risk management ensured that losses stayed small while winners were allowed to grow. So let's have a look at his trade examples. Štefan entered a long position on Nasdaq at this point, and just 29 seconds later he closed at this point for a quick profit of $731. Not every trade went his way. He entered long at this point, closed just 22 seconds later as the trend turned down, limiting his loss to $353. But let's have a look at his performance across cycles. Štefan has shown steady growth across all three cycles. In his first cycle, it was 2.15%, in the second cycle it was 2.89%, and in his third cycle it was 3.1%. That's a total of 8.14% in just 3 months. Let's analyze in more depth his strengths and areas for improvement. So his key strengths: discipline, consistent use of stop losses, and solid risk management, which allowed him to grow despite not having an extremely high win rate. Areas to improve: to push further, Štefan could improve his trade timing and refine entry points. Adjusting stop losses placement slightly could also reduce unnecessary drawdowns. In conclusion, Štefan's performance highlights key lessons for every trader. Continuous learning and adapting to market conditions drives growth. You must know the instruments you trade. And even when trend looks certain, always protect yourself with a stop loss. If you want to see more trader breakdowns like this one, follow our Behind the Chart series. Every week, new lessons, insights, and real trading stories.